Out of bullets. There he is. Oh, hit! What a shot!
Who is that?
Dude, that kid out. I saw that, dude. What a shot!
Watch out, Kyle!
A lot of bullets.
Behind that. Careful, man. Keep watching. Break. He's gonna go on the far side. I'm gonna go and shoot him. Don't.
No one's there.
I dare you, Zach. Run for that white thing.
Go cover. You got me. Shit. Watch out. He'll be popping out every time. You got full on that? Keep the phone down. Get back. Every time I get my bullets over there, he gets away.
Keep working it, you two.
What?
Keep working like you're doing.
I'm gonna go out, hop around the corner. You cover the side. Right. Let me try to climb. Oh shit, no. Don't climb up. He's gonna be aiming at that roof. I didn't even see my bullet.
Don't let your guard down over here. Don't let this guy flank you, whatever you do.
We can't pop that both at once. 3, pop out. Get back.
Come on, Jackson. What?
He's coming around the other side. Yeah, shoot at him. I'm getting so close.
He's hitting me. Make a run for that go-kart.